Oh, we gone. Look, we gone.
Alright, this is it.
Man.
After the explorers, yo, I ain't even get to yo.
I never get to read.
Hello. I ain't got no.
Hello,
Wait,
exterminator.
Let me go, fella. Let me go. Straight in.
I ain't gonna lie.
Straight in way.
Hey, piece of radio right here, bro.
Yo, the place a little dark, eh?
But bro, what you think you got flash?
A little too dark. Yo, I ain't like that, eh?
Yo, what a be?
Yo, what a bit?
What a be?
Fella, no.
Gone.
Fuck, man.
Yo, gone. Crazy? When he wants to knock. Gone, fan. Okay, there. Weeby.
Never.
Yo, never, bro. Clip farm on the gate, bro. Never, bro. Yo, bro, this is my limit. Yo, what the hell? What the hell was that?
What's happening now, so?
Bro, what you think?
Fella,
Yo.
I press restart or?
Nah, I can't yet, bro.
After explorers, go to
Yo,
the-
bro,
Fella,
nah, bro,
We can't
nah.
talk. We can't talk. We gotta stay quiet.
What?
We
Can't
cannot
make noise,
talk.
can't make noise. Yeah, but my background well low too.
Yo,
Yo, you should.
Hey.
fledge by arrow. Fledge arrow.
Yo, hush your mouth, boy.
Oh, flip, I forget.
Hey, just look at the sound, bro. On the side. It can't go red.
Yeah, can't go ready.
Yeah, let's keep it in.
Bro, get out of my ears, bro. Ears.
Keep in green.
Yo, hold it down, nada.
Come here, right. We need a key for that, we need a key for
I ain't
that.
gonna lie, fellas, I don't wanna go back upstairs.
I'm playing
Hey,
it.
easy now.
Upstairs. Fellas!
Torch off.
Bro, no, bro.
This is-
That 9, bro. That 9.
He can't come in there.
Yeah, he can't come in there. Yeah, he can't come in there. Rake up, panel. Rake up, he can't come in there. Eh? He can't come in there. Yeah, he ain't panicking, he dead.
Really? That game is insane.
Yo, Keish.
How you supposed to
Yo,
even do
Kish.
this, dog?
Yo, Keish. Wait up. Yo, Keish.
Yo, J.
Mm-hmm.
I start moving behind.
Nah, but yeah, make me go back to the.
No. Fellas, you gotta listen to the man on the radio.
Lock it.
The man saying shoot, but I know they bad making it red with the background. Use the car downstairs. We'll be on to do it over this.
He's coming. Pick up the radio, boy.
So, are you man even listening to me?
Listen back to it one more time, but here's something about car and ladder. Okay, fellas, let's go. Ladder upstairs.
Don't turn around.
Don't turn around.
Hannah, man. Upstairs.
Who do that? move.
gone so long.
Yo, match you a guy. Nah, match you a guy. Nah, match you gotta get clip from. Match you gotta get clip. Match you gotta get clip from.
Fellas, wait.
Wait, Yo, spook screen.
Match you gotta get clip from.
Okay, yo.
Bro, match you gotta
You
get.
could rest, Jack? You could rest?
Fellas, wait, man.
I can't rest you, bro.
Oh shit.
Gone.
Not that side.
Gone, cheese. Ah, gone. Gone.
I ain't looking back.
Yo, Kish, she coming, bro. I even think he could hear me, bro. Nah, he can't hear me. Yo, Kish? Nah, he can't hear me. Yo, that's scary. She radio. Bro, she radio.
But how did they stop chasing you, bro? That one want no. Yeah, you can't hide there, boy.
But I don't know how, but I ain't no hoe,
Yo, cuz, I can't hear me though.
Yeah, we could hear you.
No?
Yeah, we could hear
Are you can hear me now?
Whole time I hearing you, no, bro.
Hold.
Yo, Kish gone.
Yo, cuz.
Yo,
Match you gotta get clipped from. Match you gotta get. Yo, bro, match you.
Somebody scream behind him, you know.
Yo, bro, cheer, bro. Yo,
You
bro.
gotta do, bro. You gotta play all of these games, bro.
Yo, bro, never, bro. He's working on with the max. What game that be? My bad. I'm reading chat. What this game called? Panic Core, boy. Panic Core is like a horror game.
Yo, this.
Bro, what I be, bro?
Bro.
What I be, bro?
Yeah, Matilda overreacting.
Nah, you need that with Matthew, bro. You need that. Well, I'm gonna get back into this game though. We gotta win one, bro. We gotta win one. Yeah, bro, we might gotta win one, boy. But this game hard, boy, Max. Hang on, eh?
Look, key here. Look, first, key here. Look.
Yo, I know. Okay, nice. You get it?
No.
You have to break it so that hammer.
Yo, I can't.
Shh,
Why the
fucking
fucking
no,
back to
boy.
love?
No, a brick.
A brick.
Shit, ain't back.
Watch your mouth, boy. It'll make you go back main menu. Yeah, bro. I thought my ears now, right? SB. Crime scene, do not crash. Don't follow rules.
Oh, you hear that?
I think that brick.
Yeah.
Nah.
I got med kit.
Fish.
Yo, behind on you, man.
Bro, I is the first man to get cooked, bro. Why I the first man to get cooked, bro? Bro, I ever see that thing running towards me, bro. Yeah, Kish cook. Yeah, Kish, you cooked. Never, bro. Bro, but how much monsters this thing got? Bro, but how much monsters this thing have, bro? Bro, how we man gonna communicate, bro? We can't communicate.
Nah, bro, the thing with this game, bro, you gotta keep remembering all the way find. But I find a med kit, we find the key, we gotta find the hammer.
Bro, that 9 and bro, but how much monsters this one room got, bro?
I put it on random monsters that way too. No?
Oh, it'll change every round. Bet. What keep like sending me?
Fellas, walk. We only run if we need to.
Bro, why always sending me back to the main menu? Bro, it's sending me back to the menu.
Game, that you?
Yeah. Yeah, but Max, I know what I was.
Hey, we should look for a brick.
Look at the files. Look at all of these files. Look at all of these files on the floor.
Kish, wait.
What's that?
Yeah, approaching ticket.
Yo, are you man hearing that part?
Go.
Hey,
Come on in
what?
here. Don't come in here.
I know, man, you boy.
What do you mean?
He coming. Yeah, we dead. We dead.
Who that?
Say we did.
Hold hands, hold hands.
Bro, that annoying, bro. That annoying, bro. I try.
Look at this game, bro. This game, bro.
Boy, don't bring him here. Hey, don't bring him here, boy.
Yo, bro. Bro, team down, bro. Team down, bro. How we us, bro? We man wasn't even loud there at that time, bro. Bro, this thing started to frustrate me, bro. This thing frustrates me.
Yeah, we have enough, but loud as fuck as well, bro.
Bro, niggas background loud too, no cuz. But who alive?
Everybody dead, no?
Nah, miss.
Hello.
But let's look at we man by, bro. That's on the ground by. Two is cheese we man by. Two over us by. Not a stood over us. But now that but nah, but sure gotta get edited and clip on, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro.
Maybe we should not pick the highest level, no?
Well, bro, you want?
It's good, trust me, it's good. It's good.
I think they're good, bro. We man just got a
I
leg.
ain't understand how you running up on us like that, though.
Yeah, bro, we man barely making noise, cause.
Unless man got play with push to talk, though. But bro, that man running up on us like it's nothing.
Bro.
Yo, my voice echoing in here too, dog.
Echo. Can't hear my voice.
Go. Go.
Oh god. Oh JJ. Yeah, I can hear. Yeah.
Keish.
I'll flip right here and there, right?
Oh, Jay.
Oh boom.
Yo, that's his body. It's his body's man.
Yo, Vix. Body's fine. Lay low.
Think quiet. That way the monster ain't running on him.
Fellas, I am a crouch, bro. They crouch and they walk, bro. When I get chill, you know, like.
But that's the thing, bro.
Quiet, bro. When I run, the matter go up. I know he coming from, you know, but Fletch that.
Boy, you're on some bullshit there, boy.
Yeah, watch out, you man. Yo, bro, this thing here is bad, is it? Watch out this one.
He coming for you, don't know,
That's
bro.
why, you man, one.
Huh?
Watch him coming in there.